Hi Gypsize friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Out this way, going out these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, been on my mind. Soon as I get back, shit get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and down. Out this way, going.
Y'all can, well, first of all, I'm in front of church. I'm leaving church now. It's currently, hold on, 1:05 and it's Sunday, July 14th. As you see by the title, I'm so excited. I am prepping for a trip and I never been here. I am going to Florida. I never been to Florida. I probably went to Florida when I was like a baby, but like I have never traveled outside besides going to Nashville just for like church. And the places that I have traveled, I mean Atlantic City, that's a drive, but I mean like on a plane going somewhere for real, church, Nashville. So this is very exciting for me just because I have never really went anywhere besides, you know, church. It's gonna be my boyfriend and we're both going to Florida, Orlando. We're gonna do Disney World. I don't really know too much about Disney World. I've never really went to Disney World since I was a baby, y'all, so I don't know too much about Disney World. And we're also doing Universal too, and we have like other activities planned too, as far as like us going to the mall out in Orlando and just like doing other like fun activities outside of like Disney World. So July 26th, basically next week, is when we're leaving. We're gonna be there for 9 days, come back August 3rd. So I'm super excited. I'm just like so excited. It's gonna be like our first vacation together. I know we do days. I do have a list of things that I need to get in that stuff. I need bras, I need eyeliner, that's why I'm going to Ulta. I do need a suitcase name tag. I bought a new suitcase, y'all. Well, I bought a suitcase. I never had a suitcase of like my own, so I bought a suitcase. And obviously, y'all know what color it is. It's pink. I need piercing spray, basically to clean my piercings. I want the EOS lotion. I want another one. And then I need alcohol pads for like when I come back and when I clean like my sneakers and everything like that. And yeah, so that's my list. So we're about to head to the Cherry Hill Mall now, y'all, and I'll see y'all. Okay, so y'all, I'm walking to Ulta now, and hopefully the only thing that I get is eyeliner. I don't need nothing else at all I need is eyeliner. I am gonna get a Tree Hut scrub from here though. We're gonna smell Ocean Glow. Oops, it's open already. It smells good. It smells like something I already have that I got from Pink. But I do want like a summery scrub. Bikini Reef. We're gonna smell this one. This smells good. Blue Lagoon. Okay, so y'all, I'm at Target now. I got my Ulta stuff. Obviously, I got more than eyeliner. I'm gonna give y'all a haul of what I got when I get back home. Now we're going into Target for the lotion. And I am looking for like suitcase tags, but I'm gonna just wait until I go to Marshall's for that. Okay, so y'all, I'm home. Like, get some of the things that was on my list. I put bras. I have so much underwear. It's just I have lesser bras and underwears, and the type of girl that I am, I like to balance everything out. I like my bras to match my underwear, and I just bought a whole new pair of underwear, like so many. So it's just like I wanted some bras to match. I don't know, so didn't get bras. I did not get my piercing spray. I went to Walmart. They did not have no more of the piercing spray that I use, so I came back here because I really had to pee badly. But I want to give y'all a haul of what I got today. Marshalls, I got the name tags. So y'all, look how cute these are. These are so cute. I got the Hello Kitty name tag. My boyfriend, he's gonna get some of these too. I don't know which one I want. I think I want these two. I want these two. He's gonna have these two. Yeah, I want these two because they go good together. I'm gonna show you my suitcase too, but I'm sorry, I feel like I'm all over the place, but it's just like because I'm so filled with so much excitement. I'm filled with so much excitement. And I got these really cute like loungewear type shorts. Really just some like throw on shorts around the house, or if I go to the mall. Something really cute with some flip-flops, toes done, hair done, nails done, just something cute and calm, okay, in this heat that we are in and that stuff. And yeah, that's all I got from Marshalls. Then Ulta is where it took a turn, okay, because I only went in Ulta for some eyeliner, and then I wound up getting other stuff, so the eyeliner that I use to make the fake beauty marks and everything like that. And then I got the Black Girl sunscreen. I heard some really good stuff about this, and I always wanted to use it. I just been using like regular sunscreen. And then y'all, I don't know what made me get this, but I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. It's the body mist. It's a perfume body mist. I just knew that it smelled really good, and I'm not planning on bringing any of like my Burberry or my Valentino. Yeah, I'm not planning on bringing none of those perfumes because I will hate for the TSA people or it to get thrown away. I'm just terrified of that, okay? I mean, I would care if this gets thrown away, but like the money that I spent on the actual perfumes, you know, I just don't want to go through none of that. So I just bought these really cute like body mist, and it smells good too. It looks cute and it smells good, okay? And then I also got this one. This must be a new one. I don't know, y'all. It's 48. What's the difference, y'all? What's the difference between the 40 and the 48? Does that mean how long it lasts? But I got the 48 one. This one made me get this one because I feel as if this with the Tree Hut scrub that I also got, the bikini reef, this layering it with this or layering it with this and like my EOS Palm brand, the pink EOS lotion, okay, layering that all together, I just feel like that it smells so good. What I'm about to do now, I am about to start packing some. I'm about to show you my suitcase that I ordered online because okay, so this is my suitcase, y'all. It's pink. We have a smaller one inside. Yes, I'm about to start like putting some of my clothes in the suitcase because let me show y'all what I'm working with right now. All these bags, even on the floor, everything like that just been waiting to go in the suitcase, and I just need to go in the suitcase. Oh, I also forgot to show y'all. I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm literally all over the place. But that's how it is when it comes to me like packing and that stuff. So y'all seeing like the real deal. That's why I like doing vlogs, because y'all like see the real deal. It's kind of hard for me to like vlog while I'm like packing and preparing for something, but that's why I'm giving myself like enough time. That's why I'm doing it early, because you know I want to get as much footage as I can. This is what I forgot to show y'all. I also got the EOS, got the Shea Butter and Vanilla Cashmere. This will go really perfect with my Billie Eilish perfume. I just got this for when I guess when I come back from Florida. I don't know, I just got it. But I'll probably
We hit the club and his cups full of jealousy.
Yeah, I just got back in the house from Walmart, and I want to show y'all what I got from Walmart. If the camera quality looks different, it's because I'm recording on my iPhone X. I'm literally like dying. This one is charging right here. I got this from Walmart. Lens wipes. Basically, I can clean my glasses. I got a small mouthwash, extra but small toothpaste. I need to go get more sandwich bags, probably, or probably not. Hold on. Hey y'all, so I just got off of work. Well, okay, this is okay. Yeah, it's Tuesday. And it's hot outside. It's Tuesday and it's hot outside. It's currently 2:21 and I got off of work at 1:30. I did a 9:30 to 1:30. Your girl also started her period today at work. So it's hot outside, and then when I'm on my period, it's like an extra degree of heat. Like I be hot, like extra hot. So it's like I'm on fire right now. It's so hot. I'm over here drinking some strawberry lemonade. It tastes low-key like fruit punch now because I got it yesterday, and it was in like the fridge at my job. And yeah, I just came out of the nail shop though, because where I work at is right next to like a nail shop. To get my nails, it's hot. Ooh, this is hot. Okay, where I work at is next to a nail salon, and I just went there to get my nails taken off because I was trying to take it off this morning and I was having such hard times to take it off. So I was like, okay, even though they don't do a soak off, which I'm just really confused why like nail salons don't do soak offs, they use the nail thing. But it doesn't look bad. My nails look healthy still and everything like that, and she like cut it down and that stuff. And yeah, what I'm about to do now, I'm about to run to Walmart. Walmart is right here. I'm in like a little plaza that has everything that I need, which is amazing. So I'm about to head to Walmart right here and look for, what is it called, like a bag weigher. Like it basically weighs your suitcase, because I need to weigh my suitcase, make sure it's like 40 pounds or lower. Cross fingers that it is, because if it's not, I'm gonna have to pay extra. Yeah, but that's what I'm about to do. And then after that, my nail appointment is at 5, so I have like some time to spare, and I'm just gonna go to my boyfriend's house and we're probably gonna eat everything like that. So I'll see y'all at my nail appointment. I didn't turn my car on yet because y'all wasn't gonna be able to hear me with the air on, but I'll see y'all at my nail appointment, and I'm so excited to get my nails done. Yeah, Bookie. Okay, also another thing, y'all, I want to tell y'all that yesterday I literally was running around yesterday. I got my piercing spray. I dashed it to me. The dasher, I'm surprised that they even found it because I went to Walmart, CVS, everywhere to look for some piercing spray, and it was nowhere that I was looking. But my dasher, he found it, and I got my piercing spray, so we can mark that off the list. Let's see. And I got socks too yesterday too. So, oh no, I didn't get alcohol pads, but we're marking it. We marked the socks off. We're gonna mark, oh no, the piercing spray off. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the socks since I have the socks right here. So, got me a pair of some black socks and then some of these socks. This is the white socks right there, but yeah, I'm going to Walmart now. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, my hair is done. It's like a couple of days now, and yeah, but you know, I just got a short boohoo braids hairstyle for my trip because we don't need no long hair going to Florida. It's too hot. It's gonna be too hot for all of that. Nails done. Yeah, I did the lashes again. And yeah, this is the shortest I ever had, like, my braids or like just my hair in general, I want to say. I usually go long and it's literally the shortest, so yeah. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video of me like prepping for Florida and getting ready and everything like that. And if you did, please make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and have your post notifications on. And I see you in the next YouTube video.